So I was like, you see, first of all, I'm not here as a content creator, social media star. I'm here as an actor presenting my movie posted at the Indian Pavilion in Cannes is a big thing for me. Okay. So last year also I got an opportunity to go to Cannes, but I was like, no, it's not a fashion show. You know, it's not Met Gala. I don't want to go and do just fashion. So I was there, but for my film, but I think my outfit took all the attention, and people were discussing my outfit more than my movie. Which was not something I wanted.
Yeah.
But there's certain section of people who were like, they were not able to digest the fact that why he was there. What did he do in his life to reach there?
Was it hurtful in the beginning?
Yes, in the beginning it was very hurtful. I was talking to my team, I was talking to my friends. I was like, why no one is getting me? I was upset, and there were a lot of things written about me also. I was like, I never said that I'm going for my film screening. I never said it.
Yeah.
Even in my first post, I'm very proud to be here because I was there for launching our film's poster. जो मेरा Cannes का debut था ना, there was lot of misunderstandings, lot of things happened. But starting off my career, people told me not to make videos, not to be a social media creator. You know, it's a very bad thing, blah blah blah, hate मिलता है, troll होते हैं. But I did what I felt like doing it.
Well, first are so special, especially when the happiness is double. My guest today is somebody who's not only made his Cannes debut recently, but also his international movie debut. Welcoming Vishal Pandey only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Vishal.
Hi.
Firstly, what a proud moment.
Thank
From
you.
the last time that we met, you
Yeah.
were very competitive. But today,
Yeah.
you know,
You
I genuinely,
were scared.
I was scared.
Today
but
you're not.
Today I'm not.
Okay.
Because today I'm very happy and proud, and you know, we love to support everyone around us.
Thank
and
you. Means a lot.
yeah, and you know, there were a lot of things being said and done, but let's not get into it. Let's start the conversation on a very positive note. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah.
I feel seen.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be very honest, I feel talked about.
Really?
Yeah, because there were. See,
But you were always talked about.
Yeah, but right now I think I'm talked about in the rooms that I was not being talked. You know,
True.
पहले.
It's become broader.
And it's not only about. I'm not saying positively, negatively also हो सकता है.
Yeah, that's a
ठीक है?
part.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel, but I feel very happy that I was there to represent my country with a movie that I'm very proud of.
Yeah.
For the story that I'm very proud of, you know, to present. I can't wait, you know, for the movie to get released and, you know, people to see it because it's a very heart-touching and heartwarming story. So yeah.
Tell me something about Far Away From Home, because the people now want to know about it, of course, because you have represented it on a international platform. Now all eyes are on it, sort of.
So it will get released next year.
Yeah.
Or somewhere next year, or maybe end next year. But story it's about a brother and what level he goes to, like, you know, for the justice. I can't say much.
Yeah.
But he suffers a lot because the movie is not based in India. It's based in London, right? So how they travel, what happens there, how he's been tackling things, government authorities, how he's fighting for justice. It's an emotional story, and you know, you'll feel for the character.
Wow.
Yeah.
It sounds like an emotional roller coaster ride.
It is.
Okay, you know, do you feel with your Cannes debut, because there were so many debuts happening this year, and some were actually representing movies, and honestly, no hatred to those who were not.
Yeah.
You know, I feel if given a chance, people who are hating on them, if given a chance, उनको
They
बोला
would
जाए
also go.
कि आपको हम फ्री में 17 लाख दे रहे हैं, आप पैसे भरो और जाओ, they would also go. Who
Yeah.
would not? You know,
Who
it's a
would
big platform. How? But you were misjudged.
I was
You
misjudged.
actually went there
Big
for a
time.
purpose,
Big
and
time.
people thought, oh my god, another
Why the fuck is
influencer
he
has
here?
gone.
Yeah. So I was like, you see, first of all, I'm not here as a content creator, social media star. I'm here as an actor presenting my movie posted at the Indian Pavilion in Cannes is a big thing for me. Okay. So last year also I got an opportunity to go to Cannes, but I was like, no, it's not a fashion show. You know, it's not Met Gala. I don't want to go and do just fashion, because I believe film festivals are there for represent. See, no hate, no offense to any influencer who's been there, because उनके भी support में अगर मैं एक चीज बोलूँ, वीरदास ने ये चीज बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बोली थी कि when you use their platform to promote your films, then why can't they use your platform to promote themselves?
True.
है ना?
Absolutely.
This is double standard हो गया ना, अगर आप उनको उस तरीके से जज कर रहे हो. But मैं ऐसा बिलीव करता हूँ कि it's not a fashion runway. It's not a fashion. Of course, people will go and people will dress their best.
Yeah.
Because it's a biggest film festival in the world, biggest red carpet in the world. So I was there. I did what I wanted to be. I always dress like I want to dress.
Yeah.
So I'm not like I won't follow certain dress code.
Mm-hmm.
No, I will do this suit. No, this is very extra. I will do whatever I want. So I was there, but for my film, but I think my outfit took all the attention, and people were discussing my outfit more than my movie, which was not something I wanted.
Yeah.
But it happened. But I you cannot control things, right?
You know, when you were going, I'm sure ये आपके दिमाग में भी नहीं होगा कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, because आपको तो पता था ना अपनी सच्चाई कि मैं क्यों जा रहा हूँ उधर.
हाँ,
When
and-
you got to know, what was your first reaction?
I was like कि क्यों भाई, तुम पढ़ तो लो, तुम पढ़ो तो सही क्या लिखा जा रहा है कि किस लिए गया है वो, और बोल रहे हैं कि क्यों चले गया, अभी तो कोई भी चले जा रहा है भैया. It's the thing is, I was so appreciated there in France. You know, people were like taking the videos, and you know, they were like, they were just showing on video calls when I was on the red carpet. You know, the people who didn't even know me there, they were clicking selfies with me because they were so impressed with the way I was dressed. Yeah, because I paid an ode to French men who started wearing corset in early eras.
Correct.
So I think people didn't get the memo, and they were like कि नहीं क्यों, but I was like कि चल ठीक है, यहाँ पे इतना appreciation मिल रहा है तो भाई मेरे कंट्री में तो क्या ही होगा, पब्लिक तो पागल हो जाएगी, कितनी प्राउड होगी. I see there was a lot of praise. I won't deny a lot of praise. My industry friends and my fans and in general public जो मुझे follow भी नहीं करते, they were very happy with everything. But there are certain section of people who were like they were not able to digest the fact that why he was there. What did he do in his life to reach there? They doesn't know that I have worked my ass off for this movement. You know, I have worked day and night. I was waiting for this movement to happen, and I have always have said this loud and clear that I want to be an actor, and I started this journey because I want to be an actor.
Absolutely.
It's okay, but it was a special moment. थोड़ा बहुत see हमारे ना problem यही हो गया यार, मतलब समझ I was representing my country there, and certain section of my people, Indian people, they didn't support me, so that
I know.
I felt bad. I was like कि यार क्यों ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए था.
As you should. It is, you
Because
know.
sorry to interrupt.
No worries.
In France, जब मैंने देखा कि वो अपने लोगों को कितना प्रायोरिटी देते हैं.
True.
आप फ्रेंच हो, आपको प्रायोरिटी मिलेगी, ये भले फिर कोई भी देश से आया हो. You know, they will praise. अरे फॉर मान लो मैं मूवी के लिए भी नहीं गया, मान लो हाइपोथेटिकली मैं ऐसे ही चले गया हूँ, अरे पर तुम खुश हो ना, तुम्हारे इंडिया से कोई तो गया है वहाँ पे इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे. बट पता नहीं कुछ तो अलग सीन है हमारे देश का. आई थिंक आफ्टर कोविड ना there's lot of hatred, and I think people just hide behind their profile, and you know they just want to. I think these are depressed people.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, they're depressed
it's
people.
a lot to do with them, not with you at all. That is for sure. But that being said, you know, जितना भी आप mature हो जाओ, जितना भी experiences आपको teach कर ले, that you don't have to care. In the end, of course, it's a big moment that is sort of ruined due to some misunderstandings. Was it hurtful in the beginning?
Yes, in the beginning it was very hurtful. I was talking to my team, I was talking to my friends. I was like, why no one is getting me? Why no one is understanding that, you know, कि क्यों गया था यार, मतलब I thought that people will just appreciate the journey, that you know he was like doing that, and from there he took a leap. Like I always, मैं इतने टाइम से I was keeping low profile because I was working something, you know, I was working on something. मैं जैसे हमेशा बोलता हूँ, I'm in my transition period from a social media creator, I'm transitioning into acting, है ना. तो I was like कि ठीक है, जो लोग जर्नी अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, जर्नी तो ठीक है, बट लोगों ने तो भैया अनडिजर्विंग का टैग दे दिया था मुझे. बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
I feel even the media fraternity, despite me being a part of it, I have to say, it was very irresponsible reporting up until you didn't give an interview to, I don't know, one of the portals, the biggest ones. People were writing again your name along with those influencers who had gone to, you know, just whatever. So up until that interview came out, the entire Janta thought that this is what is happening, and I felt, you know, this should have not happened. We should have been so much more careful, whoever did it, you know, all the portals that just wrote that article without checking with you, your team, and today we have access to you, your team, everyone personally, you know. If I text you, I'm sure you will clarify and say, no, this is wrong. But that didn't happen. So were you a little upset because you have a good rapport with the media today?
I was upset, and there were a lot of things written about me also. I was like, I never said that I'm going for my film screening. I never said it. Even in my first post, I'm very proud to be here because I was I was there for launching our film's poster. That was the first thing that was coming out of our thing, you know, कि हम दुनिया को कुछ दिखा रहे हैं. इंडियन पवेलियन नाम की चीज़ होती है कैन में जहाँ पे आपका पोस्टर लॉन्च होता है. हमने पोस्टर लॉन्च किए and there was things written in the portals that, you know, he was there for his film screening and then Filmfare and Grazia posted about it. Then a lot of ruckus happened, you know, no, there's no film. And there's a magazine editor, so-called, she's, I'm not taking names, don't worry. She's very...
You should take names.
I know, but...
I feel you should take every name.
The thing is, I'm not a dirty person. I don't want to get in dirty politics because I'm not someone like to spill dirt on someone's name, right? I'm not like that. आपको करना आप कर लो, लेकिन उन्होंने like she made sure that why the Filmfare and Grazia posted about it, like there's no movie. I was like, you first go and check. I have never said that my movie screened there.
Yeah.
But ठीक है, see, जो मेरा कैन का डेब्यू था ना, it was lot of misunderstandings, lot of things happened, but
it's okay. In the end, I think people who truly love you and support you, they were there. What were your friends' reaction? Because I remember a few years back, this happened with Hina.
Yeah.
She also went for a film and she was... Another editor wrote that, you know, Cannes has become Chandivali Studios or what, and all of that happened.
Cannes has become Kanpur.
Yeah, Cannes has become Kanpur. Honestly, everyone with a phone today just knows how to hate, so it's okay. But what was, you know, and she got a lot of support from the industry, from the friends, and everybody came. Same for you. How like then did you feel, you know, that strength that, okay, doesn't matter?
My industry friends, like, they were like, you know, you killed it, you know, the best outfit of 2025, blah, blah, blah. See, the thing is, मैं ये भी बता सकता हूँ कि no designers were willing to give me clothes.
Why?
Okay? I don't know. So
even when you told them it's for Cannes.
Yeah. And see, I know it was a very short notice because even I got to know very late that we are going there. Maybe 15 days prior I got to know. But I don't know. There was something, I don't know for what reasons they were doing this. And after that, you know, so this is the reason we visioned the outfit. हमने scratch से बनाया था वो. ठीक है? Every outfit that I wore there was being made from scratch because there was no designers involved. The designer जो मेरे friend है Zishan, he's from Hyderabad. He designed it for me in like 4-5 days. That's it. You know, he मेरे पास vision था. I was like, I want to do this, and he did that. So I don't know. There was पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा है मेरे साथ, पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा. See, the thing is ना, मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ, मेरे पास कोई चीज़ आसानी से नहीं आती.
हाँ.
I go through a lot. Then
you have to work for it.
Yeah. मेरे पास कोई चीज़ आसानी से नहीं होता.
But you know, that being said, Vishal, you have had a journey of your own. You have been working since what, 2018-19 से आपने वो video start किया. Today, suddenly people very conveniently forget where you come from. They only see today where you stand, which is very unfair because you need to remember all the hard work that you did, you know. Do you feel in the end only people see कि success कितना है आपके पास and ये deserving है, non-deserving है, ये सब बात करने लग जाते हैं?
देखो, मेरा ऐसा बोलना है कि अगर मैं फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से होता तो मुझे नेपोकिड करके मार दिए होते हैं कि भाई नेपोकिड है इसलिए वहाँ पे पहुँच गया. अब मैं 7-8 साल से मेहनत करके आया, कम फ्रॉम वेरी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली विद नो एनीथिंग, यू नो. तो अब मैं मेहनत करके पहुँचा तो अनडिजर्विंग करके मार रहे हैं. तो लोग का काम है वो तो करेंगे. बट आई हैव आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट आई हैव नाउ रियलाइज्ड दैट आई एम नॉट गोना गिव सिंगल एफ, यू नो, अबाउट anyone's opinion. Starting initial days when I came back from Cannes and when I posted and a lot of things were being said, I felt a little bad, but now I'm thick strong. I'm okay with whatever you wanna spill. You go ahead, you do it. Now I don't care because the thing is, I think I was in a comfort zone कि मुझे प्यार ही प्यार मिल रहा है हर जगह से. You know, everyone is like, but ठीक है. I'm happy. I'm happy for my film. I'm just happy that I did what I did. And I'm so proud of it.
And I think your career, your journey as an actor, it's just begun, and there's so much more. And you know how much actors go through because of social media or whatever they do. Do you think it has this experience? See, whatever good or bad, in the end, you were at Cannes. You did good for your film. You represented yourself, your country. Now it doesn't matter what few people have to say. Do you think it's made you much more stronger, and now you look at things in a different way?
Yeah, I've stopped इवन टेकिंग. हाँ, आपको मेरे पास आके आपको कुछ भी बोलना है आप बोल के जा सकते हो, बट एक कान से सुनूंगा दूसरे कान से निकाल दूंगा. आई एम गोना डू व्हाटएवर आई फील. सी, फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ माय करियर पीपल टोल्ड मी नॉट टू मेक वीडियोस, नॉट टू बी अ सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटर. यू नो, इट्स वेरी बैड थिंग, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, हेट मिलता है, ट्रोल होते हैं. बट आई डिड व्हाट आई फेल्ट लाइक डूइंग इट, राइट? इवन नाउ आई एम गोना डू व्हाट आई फील लाइक डूइंग. आई एम नॉट गोना गिव अच्छा ये नहीं 80% लोग का ऐसा बोलना है कि तुम्हें नहीं करना चाहिए, अगर मेरा मन कर रहा है तो मैं करूंगा. सो दैट आई हैव डेवलप्ड नाउ. इवन आफ्टर कैन आई वाज लाइक it's okay, you giving me popularity bro, even by hating on me you're just giving me engagement, you're giving my content engagement.
Correct.
आज जितने लोग मेरा पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं, मीडिया पोर्टल्स मेरा पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं, it was highly engaged. I was like भले
You were the talk of the town.
yeah. So I was like ठीक है, अगर आपको ये करना है आप कर सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं. I'm happy, at least I'm being talked about.
You know, lastly, there's this tag associated with all the content creators, this influencer tag. There was a video of Kareena making that weird face and it became a big meme. And, you know, then I think somebody clarified that wo kuch aur usme tha. I don't know, I haven't watched the full video. But there is this notion about influencers that they get everything easy.
Bro,
and
no.
I know. We're not even getting into that conversation. But, you know, despite doing so much work, so much hard work, when you get to hear these things, do they get to you or you are like pretty chill with it now?
See, it got to me. The thing is, like I told you, I'm in a transition journey. So when someone like just put me in a box, he's an influencer. Arre no, bhai, I'm doing something. You just respect me. He's a social media creator. सबसे पहले तो influencer नाम से मेरे को चिढ़ है. No one on social media is influencing anyone in a good way, right? So influencer नाम ही गलत है. Social media, आप मेरे को social media creator बोले because that's my where I started from. But उसके साथ just add like he's a social media star and also he's venturing into acting. He's becoming an actor. But now people just put me in a box. So he's an influencer.
But that's fine. But thank you so much, Vishal, for joining and clearing the air. I just hope and wish after this interview, people become a little more kinder. They take out 1 minute, do some research and then comment. I know comment करना free है, but इतनी भी बकवास नहीं करनी चाहिए. But you know, thank you so much. We are very proud of you. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Vishal Pandey और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं FPJ Showbiz पे.